So here's how you can fix Facebook watch video icon tab missing. So for that reason, first of all, let me just open up the Facebook application, and then from on to the top bar you can see there is no watch video icon. So how we can fix this issue is quite very simple. So for that reason, we will go and tap on the three dots on the top right side corner and simply scroll it down, and then we will go with the settings and privacy. Right after that, we will open up the settings option once again, and then simply scroll it down to the bottom, and under the preferences tab you will probably see this option tab bar. So tap on this and then go with the customize the bar. Now once you have here, you can see the hidden is the video option. So you need to tap on there and then simply go with the auto. So now that's how you can simply fix the Facebook watch video icon tab missing. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.